Welcome back. In this session, we will be seeing short tricks on LCM and HCF. So let us begin with the introduction. First, let us see a brief introduction about what is LCM and what is HCF. So first is LCM. LCM stands for least common multiple. Okay. So what do you mean by least common multiple and how to find it out? Okay. So we'll see this with an example. So let us see LCM of 4 and 6. Okay. First we'll see with the basic method. And then we'll see with the division method. There are two methods to find LCM, that is basic method and division method. So this basic method, it will also tell us what is LCM. Okay. 4 and 6. So what are the multiples of 4? Multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24 and so on. Okay. And multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30 and so on. Okay. So now this gives us the first meaning, that is multiple. Okay. Next is common multiple. So what are common multiples between 4 and 6? That is 12 is common, 24 is common and so on. If you go on writing the multiples, you will find many more common multiples between 4 and 6. Okay. Next word. So what are common multiples? (12), 24 and so on. Many more we may get. Okay. Okay. Next word is least common multiple. Okay. So this means least means lesser, the least number. Okay. Which is the least common multiple between 4 and 6? It is 12, isn't it? There is no lesser number which is common between 4 and 6. So 12 is the least number. So 12 is the least common multiple. Therefore, LCM of 4 and 6 is 12. Okay. So what is first, what we have to do? Multiples. We have to write down multiples of 4, multiples of 6. Next, common multiple, which is common between 4 and 6. So 12, 24 and many more are common. But we want the least common multiple, which is the least number which is common multiple for both 4 and 6. That is 12. Okay. So 12 is the number which is common multiple for both 4 and 6 and it is also the least common multiple. Okay. Hence LCM of 4 and 6 is 12. Now we will find the LCM of 4 and 6 using division method, and we usually follow division method to find the LCMs. Okay. Now, so what is division method? You should find one number which will divide both 4 and 6. Okay. So 2 will divide, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So now there is no one number which will divide both 2 and 3, isn't it? So what we have to do? Individually we have to divide. So 2 is divisible by 2 itself. So 2 1s are 2. And 3 is divisible by 3 itself. So 3 will be as it is. Okay. Now 3 1s are 3. So we have to go on dividing until we are left with 1 and 1. Okay. And whatever are the numbers in the left hand side, we have to take the product of that, and that itself is the LCM. So therefore 2 into 2 into 3. So 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So 12 is the LCM of 4 and 6. So this was the division method. So this is all about LCM. Now let us see a brief introduction about HCF. So HCF stands for highest common factor. Okay, HCF stands for highest common factor. So this also we will see with an example. We will see HCF of 10 and 16. Okay, again we have two methods here also. We have the basic method and the division method. So using basic method, first we will understand what is highest common factor. Okay, so now we have to find out HCF of 10 and 16. Okay, now the first thing what we have to do is factors. Okay, we have to find the factors of 10 and 16. That is, they are divisible by, 10 is divisible by which all numbers, that those we have to write down. So 10 is divisible by 1, 2, 5 and 10 itself. Okay, so 10 is divisible by 1, 2, 5 and 10. And 16 is divisible by 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. Okay, so what are the factors of 16? 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. Next we have to see common factors. Okay, we have to see common factors. So which factors are common between 10 and 16? Okay, which all are common? 1 is common, 2 is common and no other number. So 1 and 2 are common factors between 10 and 16. Next we have to see highest common factor. Okay, highest common factor. In LCM what we used to see? We used to see lowest common multiple, isn't it? Least common multiple. But here in this we have to see highest common factor. Which factor is highest and common between 10 and 16? So we have common factors as 1 and 2. But which is the highest number? 2, isn't it? So the highest common factor between 10 and 16 is 2. Therefore we say that HCF of 10 and 16 is 2. Okay. So this was the basic method, and also how to we understood what is highest common factor. Now we'll see division method. Okay. So 10 and 16. Now you have to divide 10 and 16. You have to divide them such that there should be one number which will divide both 10 and 16. Okay, one number which will divide both. Okay, not like in the LCM where one number used to divide. If one number is divisible by 1, we used to divide, and the other number by other number, isn't it? But here it's not like that. Only one number should divide both. Okay, so 10 and 16 is divisible by which number other than 1? It is divisible by 2. So 2 5s are 10, 2 8s are 16. Okay, now there is no other number which will divide 5 and 8 together, isn't it? Other than 1, there is no other number which will divide 5 and 8 both, isn't it? So we will stop here only. So whatever number is there in the LHS side, that itself is our HCF. Therefore HCF is 2. Okay, so this was the division method. Now as we have done with the introduction part, we will start with our problems. Okay. So first problem, LCM of 24, 36 and 72 is how much? Okay, the first problem asks LCM of 24, 36 and 72 is what? Okay, so this we will do with the division method only. Okay, so in division method we have to divide these numbers until we reach 111. Okay, so 2 12s are 2 1s are 8s are 2 3s are 6, 2 6s are 12. Again it goes by 12, 2 2 6s are 12, 2 9s are 18, 2 18s are. Now 2 will divide 6 and 18, but it will not divide 9, isn't it? So 2 3s are 6, keep this 9 as it is, and 2 9s are 18. Okay, now there 2 will not divide 3, 9 and 9. So which number will divide? 3. So 3 1s are, 3 3s are, 3 3s are. Next again 3 will divide. 3 3 1s are, 3 1s are and 3 1s are. Okay. So whatever numbers are there in the left hand side, we have to multiply all, and that gives us LCM. So it is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Okay. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 24 into 3. Okay. So 24 into 3, 3 4s are 12, 3 2 are 6 plus 1 7. So 72 is the LCM of 24, 36 and 72. Okay. So next problem, HCF of 18, 24 and 30. Okay, what is the HCF of 18, 24 and 30? So again we will do it with the division method. So now we have to find one number which will divide all these three. So 2 divides all the 3, isn't it? So 2 9s are 18, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 12, 2 15s are 30. Okay. Now we should find one, now 2 will divide 12, but it will not divide 9 and 15, isn't it? So we cannot take 2. Now we should take another number which will divide all the 3. So all the 3 are divisible by 3. So 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12 and 3 5s are 50. Okay. Now is there any other number which will divide all these 3, that is 3, 4 and 5? No, isn't it? So we have to stop here only. So the numbers on the left hand side are 2 and 3, isn't it? So the product of those will give us the HCF. So 2 3s is 6. So our HCF is 6. Okay. Next problem. Now what is the LCM of, they have given fractions. Okay, 36 by 225, 48 by 150, 72 by 65. So when you have to find LCM of fractions, okay, it is given by one formula. So what is that formula? LCM of fractions is equal to LCM of numerators and divided by HCF of denominators. Okay, so this is what gives us LCM of fractions. So what is the LCM of numerator? What all are the numerator? LCM of, you have to find out 36, 48 and 72, and HCF of denominators. So what all are the denominators? 225, 150 and 65. Okay, this will give us the LCM of fractions. So first we will find out LCM of 36, 48 and 72. Okay. So 2 1s are, 2 8s are, 2 2s are, 2 4s are, 2 3s are 6, 2 6s are 12. Again 2 9s are 18, 2 12s are, 2 1s are, 2 8s are. Next again 2, keep 9 as it is, 2 6 are 12, 2 9s are 18. Now 2 will not divide, so directly go for 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Now again 3 1s are 2 as it is, 3 1s are. Now 2 1s are 2. So we have reached 1 1 1. So multiply all the numbers on the left hand side and that will give you LCM. So what is LCM? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 24 into 3 2s are 6, isn't it? So 24 into 6. So what is 24 6s are? 6 4s are 24, 6 2s are 12, 13, 14. So it is 144. So the LCM is 144. Next we have to find HCF of the denominators. So what are denominators? It is 225, 150 and 65. So HCF of this we have to find out. So since they are all ending with 5 and 0, we have to directly take 5. Okay. So 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 3s are 15 and 0, and 5 13s is 65. Now there is no other number which will divide 13, 30 and 45 all together, isn't it? So we have to stop here only. So what is our HCF? HCF is 5 itself. Okay. So what is the LCM of these fractions? It is LCM of 36, 48 and 72 is 144. So 144 divided by HCF of these numbers is 5. So 144 divided by 5. So this is our answer. Next problem. What is HCF of 36 by 75, 48 by 150 and 72 by 135? Okay. So for this again we have a formula. HCF of fractions is given by HCF of numerators divided by LCM of denominators. Okay. So HCF of what are the numerators? 36, 48, 72. And what are the denominators? LCM of 75, 150 and 135. Okay. So first we will find out HCF of 36, 48 and 72. So 2 by 2 we can divide all 3. 2 1s are, 2 8s are, 2 2s are, 2 4s are, 2 3s are, 2 6s are. Again 2 can divide all 3. 2 9s are 18, 2 12s are and 2 18s are. Now 2 will not divide all these 3 together, isn't it? So go by 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12 and 3 6s are 18. So there is no number which will divide 3, 4 and 6 together. So this is our HCF. So what is HCF? 2 into 2 4, 4 3s are 12 is our HCF. Next, LCM of 75, 150 and 135. Okay. So start with 5. 5 15s are, 5 3s are 0, 5 2s are 10, 5 7s are. Next again 5 3s are 15, 5 6s are, then 27 is as it is. Next 3 1s are, 3 2s are, 3 9s are. Next 2 1s are and 9 as it is and 9 1s are. Okay. What is the LCM now? LCM is product of all these. Okay. So 5 5s are 25, 25 3s are 75, 75 into 18. Okay, 75 into 18 will give us 1350. Okay, so 1350 is the LCM. So now substitute in this. HCF of all those numerators is 12 and LCM of denominators is 1350. Okay, so this is our answer. Next problem.